If Windows 11 KB5094126 is stuck downloading, keeps failing to install, or shows an install error, don't skip any step in this video because one of the later fixes has helped many users install the update successfully when nothing else worked. First, let's make sure the required Windows services are running properly. Open Windows Search, type Services, and open it. Find App Readiness, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, click Start if available, and then click OK. Right-click the service and select Restart. Next, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also known as BITS. Double-click it, set it to Automatic, click Apply, Start if available, and click OK. Then right-click it and select Restart. Now scroll down and locate Windows Update. Double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start if available, click OK, and then restart the service. Once all three services are running correctly, go back to Windows Update and click Retry if the option is available. Still not installing? Try pausing and resuming updates. Open Windows Update, click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. This refreshes the update process and often resolves stuck installations. If the update still refuses to install, run system repair scans. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following commands one at a time. Wait for each scan to reach 100% before running the next command. First run SFC or Scano, then run DISM, online, a cleanup image, scan health. Finally run DISM, online, cleanup image, restore health. Once all scans are completed, restart your PC and try installing the update again. If the update is still failing, manually install it from the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5094126, download the version that matches your Windows build and system type, then run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. To check your Windows version, type WinVer in Windows Search and press Enter. To check whether you're using a 64-bit system, open Settings, go to System, then About. If manual installation doesn't work, use the built-in Windows Repair feature. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, then Advanced Options, then Recovery. Under Fix Problems, using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now. This reinstalls Windows while keeping your apps, files, and settings intact. And if nothing has worked so far, use the Media Creation tool. Download it from Microsoft's official website, create a Windows 11 ISO file, mount the ISO, run setup.exe, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This performs an in-place repair upgrade and often fixes stubborn update issues without deleting your data. One of these methods should help you successfully install KB5094126 on Windows 11 and get your system fully updated.